So today we have something special in our menu. So I'm going to be making shrimp sauce. Okay, delicious shrimp sauce. Okay, you can use it for your rice or enjoy it that way. Let's get started. I have these ingredients: our chopped bell peppers, I have onions, ginger. I'm going to be using fresh garlic and other spices. We have our hot habanero pepper. Be adding onions, ginger and garlic chopped up. Allow it to cook. So we have our chopped up habanero pepper. Add it. Thank you.
Oh my God, look at it.
Yeah.
Mommy, you also give me this?
We're going to add our vegetables.
Why is it so cheesy, Daddy?
So today we cooked shrimp sauce, vegetable shrimp sauce. So I have chicken stock. I'm going to add it so that it will give it more taste to our sauce. Okay. And I'm going to cover it and let it cook properly. Alright. You can add roux. Just mix up a teaspoon of flour. It's called roux with water, and you add it, but I don't want it. As you can see, the consistency is good. At this point, our shrimp sauce is ready. Let's add food. So today, look at our sauce. Our shrimp sauce is ready. Great for your rice or any plain food that you want, or eat it that way. We've come to the end of this video. Please subscribe, share, comment, and I will see you once again in my next video. Bye. God bless you.